Is your Apple Pay wallet acting up? Let's get it back to smooth sailing with a quick refresh. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your cards live. Tap on the card you want to remove. This will bring up its details. Now, look for the 3 little dots, usually in the top right corner. Tap on those. This opens up a menu with several options. We want to select Remove Card. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Tap Remove Card again to proceed, and just like that, the card is gone from your digital wallet. Now, let's add it back. Tap the plus icon, usually found at the top right of the Wallet app. You'll see options to add different kinds of items. Choose debit or credit card. You can either scan your card with your iPhone's camera, or you can enter the details manually. If you choose to enter it manually, you'll need your card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your card with your bank. This might involve a text message code or a quick confirmation in your banking app. Once verified, your card will be added back to your Apple Pay wallet, ready for action. This process can help resolve many common Apple Pay glitches and ensure your mobile payments are as seamless as ever.